Want to create instrumental music with Suno AI? Whether you're making background music for YouTube videos, podcasts, presentations, gaming, or simply relaxing, Suno AI lets you generate original instrumental tracks in just a few clicks. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make instrumental music in Suno AI in 2026. So let's get started. First, visit the official Suno AI website and sign in to your account. Once you're on the dashboard, click the Create button to start a new music project. This is where you'll describe the instrumental track you want the AI to create. Next, look for the instrumental option and turn it on. This tells Suno AI to generate music without any vocals. Enabling this option ensures your final track is purely instrumental. Now describe the kind of instrumental music you want. Include details such as the genre, mood, tempo, instruments, and the purpose of the track. For example, you might ask for a relaxing piano piece, an epic orchestral soundtrack, or upbeat electronic background music. The more descriptive your prompt is, the more accurate your results will usually be. Click the Generate button and wait while Suno AI creates your instrumental track. Depending on the platform's activity, this may take a short time. Take a moment while the music is being generated. Play your generated instrumental and decide if it matches your vision. If you'd like a different style, simply edit your prompt and generate another version. Changing the mood, tempo, or instruments can dramatically change the final sound. When you're happy with your instrumental track, save it to your library. Depending on your account and subscription plan, you may also be able to download or share your music. So you've successfully created instrumental music with Suno AI, and that's how to make instrumental music in Suno AI. With the right prompt and the instrumental option enabled, you can create original background music for almost any project or occasion. Experimenting with different genres, moods, and instruments is the best way to discover new and unique sounds. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.